300 years after humanity fell, nature returned. Survival was not about strength, but harmony.
When cities fell silent and machines stopped breathing, the earth did not die. It waited.
They had searched for so long. But here, amidst the ruins of the past,
O great spirit of the night, guide us by the fire.
This harvest is plentiful, but it needs to be kept in the shade.
We understand. Our tribe will use this knowledge well.
After 300 years, the Earth did not collapse. It healed, and humanity survived, not by power, but by humility. When the noise of civilization faded, a quieter truth remained. Life continues when we learn to listen.
Keep moving. The herd is just ahead. We must reach the river before nightfall.
The river is with us.
keep paddling. We must reach the bend before dusk.
And so the earth breathes again. A testament to nature's resilience.
This was never the end of humanity. It was the beginning of a different way to live.